We are going to baptize Lara Rosalind. No? The Christian community of Santuario de San Antonio Paris welcomes you with great joy.
I remember the exact moment na, yun nga, na sinabi nila sa akin na, oh, andyan na si Lara. And then, narinig ko yung unang iyak niya. And from that moment on, I knew that whatever I need to give for my daughter, I will do everything that I can for her.
Actually, sobrang unexpected kasi akala ko parang March 8 pa, pero naging March 7 bigla siya pinanganak. And nung first time kong makita si Lara, sobrang happy ko, pero super inaantok din ako ng time na yon. Pero nung nasa recovery room na kami, ramdam na ramdam ko yung pagiging protective. My message to you is I'm just hoping that when you grow up strong, healthy, kind, smart, God-fearing.
Have the heart of your mom, right? Who loves everybody very much and sees people very equally very much.
I said this to you in my first ever email, and you'll see that when you grow up, all of the emails that I will be sending you and Daddy will be sending you throughout the year. So I just hope that you're treating me now as your best friend. I hope we'll be best friends forever.
I want you to know that wherever you are, that wherever you go, whatever you do, you are very loved by a lot of people. You are loved by your mother, you are loved by your grandparents, you are loved by your aunts and uncles. You're also very loved by me. And I hope that that love is something that you will know in the future.